guys, my name's Luke Wilson. I ride for Wilson's Cool Air Model Suzuki. We're down here at round 3 for the Adelaide Supercross. It's definitely a lot mellower than the first 2 rounds. Everything's going to be pretty simple, and I think it'll make racing a lot closer. There's nothing hard about it. The whoops are pretty small, so I think it's definitely going to tighten everything up, and I think it'll be good for the crowd because it's going to make some good racing. My goal is always to be in the top 10, so that's where we're aiming to be this weekend, so just looking forward to get out there and doing that.
My name is Nick Schmidt. I'm from the States, and I'm racing for the Wilson's Cool Air Model Suzuki. I didn't really know too much at first in Suzuki. Matt Riley hit me up from Australia and on Instagram and kind of talked back and forth a little bit, gave him my email and kind of was saying, hey, kind of want you to come out and ride for us. And then Neil called me and kind of everything worked out good. And we booked a flight, and I was pretty much here the next, I think, week or 2. So it was kind of just showed up literally off the plane and jumped on the bike, a little jet lag, and spun some laps, and it was good. We had a good result last weekend, so we're just going to push forward this weekend and kind of just really just have fun. I don't want to think about too much, and kind of when I do that, I ride to my ability and everything kind of goes as planned. So I'm kind of just going to do what I know how to do. Hopefully the end results are good.
The main things we changed for Supercross is the gearing and suspension. We go a lot stiffer on the suspension and going up a few teeth on the back on the sprocket, but other than that, it's pretty simple, just mainly getting that suspension stiff for the bigger jump.
New bike and everything. It's kind of not the bike I'm used to back home. It was all new changes, and they were good changes. It's a completely whole new look, obviously, and it's a little more thinner, turns really well and handles good. And the new chassis setups, it's really good, and I like it. It's good in the whoops and the turns, and that's the biggest thing in Supercross is you got to hit your turns well, and it's a good bike.
We've been doing a fair bit of testing with Charlie Costanzo with suspension, and everything's coming together really well. Definitely preferring it from the old bike. It's come a long way. So from last time we spoke, my wife was pregnant. We've now got a little girl that's just turned 1, so life's changed a lot, but for the better, and I still love what I'm doing here at the track, and it's been awesome.
This is my job. I know what I'm here to do, but kind of just have fun. Like, that's why we started riding, and like let loose, kind of just appreciate everything. And obviously I'm here to win and get on the box and do that, but I know how to ride a dirt bike. So long as I have a good mindset coming into it, everything should be good. And just have fun and have a good playlist on before we go up to race.